Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Payoneer account, open your web browser. Type in the Payoneer website URL in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Payoneer homepage. Locate the sign in button on the top right corner of the page. Click the sign in button. This will redirect you to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Input your password in the password field. If you prefer to stay logged in, check the box next to Remember Me. Once confirmed, click the Sign In button. Wait for the page to load. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken to your Payoneer account dashboard. In case you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. If you're using two-factor authentication, you may need to enter a code sent to your mobile device. After entering the code, click Verify. You should now have fast access to your Payoneer account. Explore your account dashboard to manage your funds and transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.